this is Shifa and welcome to the channel. So today is the second day of 30-day word challenge where we add a new word to our vocabulary every single day. So if you are new here, hit the subscribe button and join us for each day. Now let me tell you the meaning of the word serendipity. So serendipity is a noun. It means occurrence of something good by chance. You can say good incident. So some of the example of the word serendipities are: the boy found his lost string in the garden by serendipity. Second, by serendipity I found my favorite book in the library. Third, it was a pure serendipity when I saw my best friend after a long time. Now let me explain you this with the real life incidents. So what happened to me once, I got an old jacket and then I suddenly inserted my hand inside its pockets and I found some money inside it, and I was so happy and shocked to see that, and it was a pure serendipity for me. Now lastly, the synonym of the word serendipity is flunk, chance, coincidence, good fortune, happy incident, twist of fate, luck, or you can say it as kismet in our common language. So that's all. Now it's your turn. Drop a sentence using the word serendipity in the comment below. So if you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe the channel for day 3 because words are powerful. Until then, stay curious, stay wordy. Bye bye.